Exploring the outdoors is amazing, but it can bring a few dangers. However, if you're prepared and you've got the right kit, then it frees you up to enjoy your adventure. A first aid kit is essential when going for a hike. It doesn't have to be expensive or fancy, but a few plasters, a versatile bandage and an emergency foil blanket are all advisable. And perhaps even some tick tweezers if you're going for an overnight excursion. But most importantly, you do need to know when and how to use the items inside. So do keep an eye out for our first aid basics video for more. A good set of full waterproofs, no matter the weather, are an essential item in your pack. As well as protecting you from unexpected downpours, they can also save you in the event of shock or injury. A charged mobile phone and possibly even an extra battery pack will ensure that you can contact someone and locate your GPS coordinates easily at all times. A whistle. This may be old school, but it's also classic and trustworthy. It can help draw attention to yourself in low visibility and poor conditions. Emergency food and water. This is in addition to the basics. Don't be tempted to only carry what you need because you never know what's around the corner. Always carry sun cream and/or a hat. It's easy to underestimate the power of the sun, especially on a cloudy day in the UK. You might only be planning a day trip, but wild adventures can sometimes go on longer than expected, so always carry a head torch.